Alex, okay? Yeah? Over.
It's okay, we can just keep going with my camera. Okay, where were we? Is there anything else you would like to say about the changes you'd like to see here?
Ja, wil is daar nog iets anders wat hom wil ek meen hom Johannes wil byvoeg oor die verandering wat nou wel plaasgevind het hierso?
Ja,
En wat moontlik nog kan kom, ja.
Kom ek sê vir u, dit is my droom. Uit en uit, dis my droom. Byvoorbeeld, sê nou maar een boer, sê maar bijvoorbeeld 3000 hectare. Dan, kijk hierdie grond wat hier lê.
Ja.
Dis werkskepping grond hierdie.
Ja.
As ek nou, was het op my plaas die gewees, ek het nou gekry, kan ek hier 'n lemoenbord opgesit het. Hier kan ek 'n toeristeplek hier gemaak het. Maar nou omdat dit gemeenskapgrond is,
ja,
moet jy maar net dink, maar jy kan dit nie doen nie. Jy sê nie, soos ek sê, ons kan nie hulp kry nie, want dis nie ons, dis nie my grond nie, dit is gemeenskapse grond. Soos ek oordag gesê het,
Ja.
5 kinders in een huis, hulle verstaan nie mekaar nie.
Ja.
We moeten meer klomp in een grond,
Ja.
kan nie verstaan mekaar nie.
Ja.
Ek wil graag uitbrei,
Ja.
dat ek aan die gemeenskap kan werk gee.
Ja.
Dat ek kan vir hulle, waar hulle honger is, kan vir hulle sê, kom vat daar vir julle kos, kom doen dit,
Ja.
maar ek kan nie.
Ja.
Dit hinder my,
Ja.
maar ek kan dit.
Yeah. The great challenge about the change is that all of the land belongs to community. And at the moment, community is in a standstill point because there's so many different viewpoints that nobody is willing to agree. I mean, nobody's really agreeing on anything. There's factions. And so the land stands, like the land in front of us. Here we could have had an orchard because of his experience with farming and all of that. He sees this as an orchard with oranges and citrus fruit. And maybe further down the road, there could quickly easily be an accommodation center for tourists and people like want to stay overnight or come work in the community. So with the community land, it's a good thing that it's back to the community, but the challenges are now we have so many disagreements and that others of us who are willing to work and get things going and create employment in our area, we're at a standstill because you can't do it on an individual capacity. Even though we agree that there should be unity and everything, but for those who are willing to work and carry on forward. So the changes I'd possibly like to see is that those that are that are willing to do things could be allowed to carry on and implement these things that they know being transfer them from what they know in the previous.
So it's an issue
times.
of autonomy,
Yeah,
basically, and being able to make decisions without going through a board or
Yeah.
a committee.
sure. So those are some of the things that I think we need to look at and see how we can allow also people that want to have an independent working structure, I suppose.
Okay, how are we doing on time for camera?
This is 4 and the previous was 3 or 4 as well.
Okay. Do you guys have any particular follow-up questions you want? Maybe one more? I don't want to keep him in the sun for too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe about the land. That day of the meeting, he said something interesting about the land and the territory around. Some more general thing.
Can you be more specific?
I just remember this
Maybe the last meeting they did the other day.
when we talked with him, during the meeting.
Yeah, because he's been saying mostly about how the land could be used to also create employment
Yeah.
and maybe even have.
He already talked about that.
Yeah.